Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a backup for your cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, what you're going to need to be doing is creating a full backup of your account, and what you can do, you just need to click on download a full account backup, and then you just need to follow the procedure. Now, then you click through the generate a full account full backup interface, and then once you fill everything up, you should have a generated backup. Now you cannot restore these automatically in cPanel. This is only available in WHM. You should ask your hosting provider to actually restore the backup file automatically if you don't have access to WHM. Now you can also manually restore your public HTML by just unpacking the tar.gz file and go to the home directory's public HTML folder and just upload all those files into the public HTML folder with the file manager of cPanel. And the backup process for an account near or over the quota may fail because it cannot write necessary files such as a database log file, so keep in mind your quota, which you might need to actually create a backup. Now, to actually generate one, you just need to go and select a storage setting from the backup destination menu. It can be home directory, which is on your server which you're using. It could be a remote FTP server with or without passive mode transfer, which will be able to store it on a remote server. And you can also use secure copy, which is SCP or secure copy protocol, which will also select the remote server. And yeah, if you select any of these latter three, you will need to enter the location of the remote server. However, home directory will just keep it on the server the cPanel is installed on. Now, you need to select a notification setting. You can just select and enter the email address where you want the notification to arrive once you actually enter the email, and once it's done, it'll arrive there. However, you can also click to not receive an email notification, in which case, of course, you do not have to enter anything. Then if you wish to include integration links, you need to select include integration links, which of course may include external account credentials. And if you selected remote FTP servers, remote FTP server with passive mode transfer or SCP, as I mentioned, you'll need to enter the remote destination's information in the text boxes and then click generate backup, and that is pretty much it. And yeah, there's really nothing else to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.